La Petite Cafe created a dynamic and stunning site that reflects their brand while engaging visitors. How'd they do that? With Weebly's sections, you can use our pre-designed layouts, move and copy groups of elements with ease, add video to backgrounds, and completely customize headers. These full-width content areas are a great way to create dynamic and engaging pages. Each new page already includes one blank section. You can add more within the body of the page by dragging on the section element. Choose a layout type to start, or start blank and drag on any elements you'd like. You can resize the entire section here and explore your section's options within the dialog box at the top. Move or copy to this page or another page, or delete this section entirely. It's worth noting, if you've created a layout you love, you can use it again. Just copy it to another page. Or if you'd like, you can create a secret page where your templates live. Just make sure to keep it hidden from visitors and search engines. Edit Background allows you to choose a color, image, or video. Choose from any color, even enter a hex code. We have a number of stock images and videos you can choose from, or upload your own. If you have a pro or business plan, you can choose a video background. We provide several stock videos to choose from. Hover over each to preview. Or upload your own video. Just make sure it's under 1 GB and in the correct file format. Once a video is added, it appears as a freeze frame for minimum distraction while you're editing your site. Click Edit Background again to see how it plays here, or change the settings. Add as many sections to a page as you'd like, each with its own background or layout. And that's how you do that.